everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. A major storm brings flash flooding and damaging winds to United States East Coast. Heavy rain, thunderstorms and gusty winds are moving through the northeast on Friday as a major storm system lifts. The storm system previously brought 11 confirmed tornadoes across 6 states: Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida and North Carolina. The worst of the rain is over for the Interstate 95 corridor, with just showers on and off into the afternoon. Behind this storm, the wind advisory has been issued from the Maine to Georgia, with the gust near 50 miles per hour for some areas on Friday. There are flood and wind alerts for the eastern United States from the Great Lakes to the Carolinas and Maine. Gusty winds are expected on Friday afternoon, and some higher elevations in the New England could see gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Gusty winds will last into Saturday. An EF1 tornado with the winds up to 100 miles per hour caused damage Thursday near St. Augustine, Florida. In addition to the tornadoes, there have been 77 damaging storm reports from Florida to West Virginia in the last 24 hours. Wind gusts were reportedly 58 to 68 miles per hour, North Carolina and Virginia. A flash flood emergency was issued Thursday evening just west of Pittsburgh, where nearly 4 inches of the rain fell in hours. Numerous water rescues were reported in Pittsburgh metro area Thursday night. Officially, Pittsburgh is having the wettest start to any month on record in the last 11 days. The city has seen more than 7 inches of the rain. In Charleston, South Carolina, dozens of the roads closed downtown due to the flooding on Thursday. The city had a record daily rainfall of 3.23 inches. Scientists have yet to pinpoint the fault that ruptured the New Jersey on April 5th and rattled much of the Northeast. Now, U.S. Geological Survey researchers are in the process of installing new monitoring equipment to better measure the aftershocks and help solve that mystery. The USGS has recorded at least 50 aftershocks since the 4.8 magnitude earthquake last Friday. The federal agency announced Thursday that it is installing 5 new seismometers a few miles from the site of the quake to monitor future rumblings. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.